The Battle of Gaugamela, fought in 331 BCE near the town of Gaugamela, modern-day Iraq, was a decisive engagement between the forces of Alexander the Great of Macedonia and Darius III of Persia. It marked a pivotal moment in Alexander's campaign to conquer the Persian Empire. Darius, seeking to repel the Macedonian invasion, assembled a massive army, estimated to be over 100,000 strong, comprising infantry, cavalry, and war elephants. In contrast, Alexander led a smaller force of around 40,000 highly disciplined troops, renowned for their mobility and tactical flexibility. Alexander devised a bold strategy to counter the Persian numerical advantage. He exploited gaps in the Persian lines and employed innovative tactics, including the use of his companion cavalry to flank and disrupt the enemy formations. The battle began with a fierce clash between the two armies. Despite initial Persian successes, Alexander's superior leadership and battlefield prowess turned the tide in favor of the Macedonians. The Persians suffered heavy casualties and were unable to withstand the relentless Macedonian assault. The Battle of Gaugamela resulted in a resounding victory for Alexander, securing his dominance over the Persian Empire and establishing him as one of history's greatest military commanders.